Good morning, everybody. Can you read that thermometer? It's 30 outside, and it says the lowest temperature that I've had in the last, 24 hours was 30 degrees. And guess what? It's nude. So I'm getting ready to go out and get some wood. You can see snow on the step and in the little window, in the little window boxes. And on the other side of the house, there's some more studio. Unfortunately, I did prepare pretty good, and I started the winter stack of wood on the end of the porch. But I thought I had one more day, so I didn't cover it with a tarp. I'm not sure I have a tarp that size. But anyway, so the top of that wood's kind of wet. I'm going to go get a piece of that. And then I'm going to take you guys out the back door and show you what's going on out there. Okay. Woo! I had some wood inside, but everything I had inside, I seem to have burned last night. I did not sleep well. There was a lot of sound with the wind was really strong. There was a lot of sound and noise with that wind. And let's get a couple dry sticks. Good morning, a little bit. Yep, the stick fell off. There we go. Let's do this. Take this other dry one. Okay, hi, little bit. No, you have to stay out. No, Mama's allergic to kitties. I can't do that. You can't come in. But it's okay. I'm going to come out the back. And then I have this lovely marbled old enamel pot here by the door, and it's beside the door and the wood stove. And so I'm putting one of those sticks there. And here's the wood stove. And I have some coals going in there. So let's let you help me put a stick of wood in. Break up the coals a little bit. I have a rack for my wood for inside the stove on my Amazon wish list. I can't afford to buy it right now. I think it was $40. I don't remember. But, anyway, and it's, it would help to have the rack on here. So that the wood would automatically be above the level of, didn't mean to push that back. That it would automatically be above the level of the coals. And as the wood would burn, it would automatically drop the ash a little better. Would be a nice thing to have. So that's loading the stove, and then, you know, those pieces are a little damp, so I'm just gonna leave it wide open right now so that they can dry out a little more. They're not bad. Oh, yeah, that bug zapper light that I have up here over the front kitchenette window, that light's really good. My other lights, I just bought some new ones for in here that were USB rechargeable, and they're not doing so good. They're both recharging right now, but they're not doing so good. And yes, I was gifted a 300-watt ROX Pels recently, and I need to do a review on it. I'm so grateful to have that. It's a little larger than my Bowden's, but it looks like I'm going to be able to use that. I'm going to step back. Editing still is a problem with this particular cell phone. I bought a new cell phone. The company took my money, and then they canceled my order. So I didn't get a new cell phone, and it took me over a week to get my money back. So that's not happening right now. And I apologize. I did just pan around the studio, and I feel like it's messy in here, but I've been sorting some old things. It's incredible to me how not having a car has affected the way I think. And I've been depressed. I've been having a hard time. I also have moments when I'm just on a roller coaster ride with my thoughts. So, I didn't put a scarf and all on. It's chilly out here. Hi, little bit. This little bit again. Hi, Miss Hero. How are you? Little bit came with the name Hero when I got her. You see, there's a little dusting of snow all around. And over here on the, in that area over there, you can see the white a little more. There's some snow on these chairs. I use some cotton rag rugs on the chairs for, so they're not cold on the butt in the winter, and you don't sweat in the summer, you don't get waffle legs, whatever. But I did get some snow. I have the hot water kettle is on the wood stove inside, so I don't think I'm going to start this morning. I might later if I feel like it. Let's walk in the grotto. Hi, big girl. How are you? Whoops. Come on, let me see you. Are you going to let me put you on the camera so you could say good morning to people? No, huh? She says, no, it's cold out here. Anyway, it is chilly. It's 30 degrees, so it's chilly. So we get a dusting of snow. I'm at 6,500 feet. Some of my neighbors in Witchwell are at a lower elevation than I am. And so I communicated with one by text earlier this morning, and they said that they saw snow in the air when they woke up, but they didn't have any snow on the ground. That would be normal. I'm generally about 500 feet higher than other people. I don't know if you can see that weird cloud formation over there. That's pretty cool. Wish I could show that better. I don't think I could blow it up any and make a difference there. Greenhouse has some snow on the roof. It's not bad. That's Ozzy's grave site is the cactus garden, and it has a little snow. Good morning, Mr. Ozzy. I miss you, buddy. But it's not going to stay. It's just the first snow. That's all. All right. Hey, little bit. Look at you under there. You're chilly. Yeah, you're cold this morning. I see you hunkering down. Yes, garden beds that I winterized. I have a splinter in my finger that hurts this morning. What else is? Nothing else. I wish you could see those clouds. Let's take you up where I often bring my first cup of coffee to meditate. I often walk up my little path. Solar lights. My little path. It's gonna be brisk up here. The wind's been blowing. Oh, the wind's blowing. Brr! I should put an extra shirt underneath this jacket. I don't really have enough layers on. But here's my meditation area. My meditation chair is a low, flat area. I didn't paint the plywood. I was gonna, but then I keep feeling like I'm on this roller coaster ride of I don't know what I'm doing again. What a really cool weather pattern over there in cloud formation. I don't know if you can see those kind of curly, rolly clouds over there. That's cool. But can't see far today. And it's early still. The sun's not out. The sun's trying to peek through right up in there. Alright. I'm going back where it's warmer. I do love it out here, but I'm going back where it's a little warmer. The studio's over there. Alright, come on, big girl. Let me go make a coffee. I'm gonna use hot water inside because I already have the kettle on the wood stove, which is pretty normal. And my wood stove's on. To me, that makes it, oh me, when the wood stove's on, you keep a kettle. And so when I bought this new wood stove, I have to lock the gate. So close it so the coyotes can't get in after the cats, or the cattle can't get in. It's free range cattle around here. Oh, yeah. Ooh, my fingers are cold. Putting that little piece of wire down in there, that's cold. Ooh, big girl. Look at you, see? Snow on things. Oh, it's ice. Can't move it with your finger, it's ice. Of course, it rained. Yep, little tiny solar panel. Let's see, that one is an individual panel that runs up there and goes inside, and it powers that hanging lantern inside. Whew, that was slippery. Alright, let's go in and make a cup of coffee, and I will talk to you guys later. But that's my morning on this, I believe it's 10th day of December 2021 at something like 6 o'clock in the morning. I see. Whew. All right, I'll holler at you all later.